Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am finally doing another cake video for you guys today. I am doing a chocolate birthday cake. I am using my chocolate cake recipe along with my buttercream. I am also using an Oreo filling. And so it's just my buttercream and I added some Oreo crumbs to it. These are 6-inch cake rounds. And I'm doing 3 layers of the cake. And now I'm just pressing down on my cake, making sure that it's nice and level. And then we can start on my crumb coat. I'm using the leftover of my buttercream in the piping bag. Starting from the top and working my way down. This will just seal in any of my chocolate crumbs so that I don't have anything showing when I'm doing my final layer. Once it's done, I place it into the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll bring it back out and start on the final coat. Now that it's back out, I can go ahead and start frosting my cake. I'm just using my regular buttercream. And then I'm going to add the colored buttercream. And I went for a teal color. And this is some blue with some green added to my buttercream for this color. And then I'm just going to start smoothing my sides. Decided to add a little bit more white to my cake. Now that my cake is all smooth, I can go ahead and just finish off with the top. And then I decided to pipe some rosettes onto the side of my cake. I am using a 1M tip. And this is just a combination of the 2 colored frosting that I have. And I also went in with the star tip, just with some white buttercream. I'm also going to add a little bit of rosettes onto the top as well. And this is what my cake looked like, you guys. This is a teal colored rosette birthday cake. Hopefully you guys like my tutorial on how I did this cake video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.